Hi, it's Sue here from the Unicorn Advisory, your trusted Kajabi expert with a Kajabi quick tip for you. Today is a simple and easy one that will make your page and your email creation so much easier. I don't know if you know, but you can actually update the names of all of the sections on your page. So when you start out with a page, particularly if you have got a template that you've used, it might have all of the names of the different sections all nicely laid out here. But as you start building and changing, it can be really confusing as to what is what. And especially if you start adding sections, and say you add sections and you've got 3-column text sections, which is going to add sections just literally called 3-column text. And let's say we're going to add a hero with an image section because you kind of like how that layout is going. Soon you're going to have sections, and as your page builds, especially if you're doing a big sales page, you're not actually going to know which section is which. It is really, really easy to rename it, and I would highly recommend that you rename not just your sections, but your actual blocks within the sections as well, especially if they are a big section. If you've got lots of blocks within the section, it will help so much if you are managing your page to try and work out exactly where everything is, especially if you have, for example, an FAQ and you've got lots of FAQs and they're all called accordion. You might be like, what am I going to do? How am I going to know which one is which, especially if you want to be moving them around? So to do that, you just click into rename, and we would call this one, instead of accordion, we'd call it group or one-to-one. And you can go down and rename all of those sections, so that then if you want to hide a section, you might be like, oh, actually, I don't want that one in here. It's really easy to know which one to hide, which one to show, and exactly what is happening. Especially if you've got emails and you've got lots of blocks with buttons and images and different things going down the page. Having this capability to know your page and know exactly what is what on the page is incredibly helpful. Perhaps you might have this section where it's like, I want to ask some questions. One of the cool things that you can do on your pages is actually send to another section. So if this was saying, got questions, you might actually choose to go to a section on this page. However, if you have not named your sections, if this isn't called FAQ, you wouldn't know which of the sections. If you were like, oh, is it 3-column text? Imagine if you had lots of 3-column text and you didn't know what was what. So renaming sections allows you to easily navigate around your page, and also easily know what is what, and be able to find the sections on your page. That is today's Kajabi quick tip. If you would like more Kajabi help, please do subscribe to the channel or get on the quick tips list at theunicornadvisory.com/quick tips, and I will send you a dose of Kajabi inspo straight to your inbox every weekday. Sue from the Unicorn Advisory. See you next time.